Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Submenu and Prestashop in 2024. So in today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add the submenu. Of course, submenus are a great way to organize your product and even pages, making it very easy or easier for customers to navigate through your site, especially if it has a lot of pages and products. So let's get started and create a user-friendly navigation menu for your store, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section. Basically, just type prestashop.com, hit the enter button, and this should take you into the home screen or main screen right away. Here, click on Get Started to download it first if you don't have it downloaded yet. You can go with the classic or hosted, whatever you want, or custom, you'll have to contact them. So for the classic, you'll have to enter your informations here as an example. So I'll just type some random informations, click on download, and as you can see, you'll be able to download it. Once it's downloaded, it will download as a zip file. Then here you'll have to follow the steps of installing it. As example, click on install. They show you how to do it basically, but you'll need to find a hosting provider. And you can go with the hosting partners that they have. As you can see, they'll show you the features that comes with it, and even I guess the what you have to pay per month. Stinger in this one, and even I guess like Prestashop hosting. Other than that, as an example, you will be able to go and host it or use like their hosting option. For example, like this one, hosted option, which is going to be hosted by them. You don't need to choose an outsider. Example, you have to pay this. It's something like that, like 24 per month if you wanna bill per year, and you'll even get a 14 days free trial. So you'll have to pay either way, unless you want to host it in your local host. How to do it? Basically, open a new tab, just type install. So, example, install like Prestashop on localhost. Hit the enter button. So uh, Prestashop on localhost. As example, hit the enter button, click on the first link, and as you can see, they'll show you here in this article how to exactly install your PrestaShop locally on your computer, like the introduction first of all, technical steps. So this will show you like the steps and install local server application, like this free one map, as you can see. So here they outline the steps and here the exact details. I've already made a video about this. If you want to check it out, you'll be able to, or you don't. If you don't want, you can simply just follow this article right here. How to access, as we said, just go to Google, type install PrestaShop on localhost, hit the enter or first link, and you should be on it. So as I said, basically you'll have to install, as I said, the server, which is memp. That's what you're using here, and then install PrestaShop. Go to the docs file, create a folder, name it whatever you want, paste things on it, go and start the servers, go and open your browser, go to localhost slash name the folder it's created, set up the server, set up the store and everything, and you should be good to go. You'll have access then to the front and back office of your store. And here, of course, for developers only, you have a lot of other things that you can do. So that's, as we said, if you want to have it on your local host. For other like people, like if you don't want to go with their host, it's up to you. So as you said, to add your submenu on PrestaShop, you'll have to go and access your back office. So just go and click on manage your store on the back office. And of course, once you do so, just navigate into design. You'll find this on the left panel of your back office. Then click on menus, and this is where you will manage the navigation, of course, of menus of your store. So in the menu section, you'll see a list of existing menus. Find the menu that you want to add a submenu to. So, for example, there's normally the main menus and then submenus. So just choose the menu that you want to add submenu to. And this typically will be labeled as main menu or even top menu. So click on configure button next to the main menu to access its settings. And from there, you'll be able to start adding a new menu item. So click on add new button to create a new menu item and fill in the details of this new item. For example, if you're creating a submenu for products, you may name them products as example. So it's be labeled as product. So people will be able to click on it when they want to see products. Don't limit something random. And you can also like set the URL to other details as needed. Once you fill the details, click on save. And the next, you can start creating the submenu items, and this will be items that appear under the parent menu items like you just created. You can simply click on add new button again, create a new menu item, and this time, in addition, to fill out the item's details, you need to specify the parent item. Select the parent menu item you created earlier, which is products, in my case as an example. Then follow from the drop-down menu. Repeat this step to create some additional menu items as needed. Click on save after adding each item, and you can simply arrange the menu items however you want. Put whatever up, put whatever down, and verify the menu on the front end. And you should be good to go. Of course, if you need something more specific, you can look for an article. So, as an example, how to add a sub like menu on Prestashop as an example. And you can simply look for videos, look for articles on Prestashop, and a lot of other stuff in here. So example here, so people like are telling how to add this, etc. So people are answering it. There is some, give them an example. If I were you, I'd create the same page, then the back top menu PHP file instead, example, etc. Here example, there's another article or another forum example how to do it. So you can simply follow those options or even watch videos of how to add the categories in the drop down menu as example on that specific like 1.7. So if you have this, you can simply follow this as example. For me, I'll not play the video because of copyright options, but as example, this will show you exactly how. So as we said, you can go to the list panel, go to the design, and then simply you'll find menus in the design. And as example here, and on this menu, of course, you can add whatever you want. As you can see, available items and selected items, and you can add whatever menus or whatever things you want on the menu. You can even add some links of that, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. You successfully added your submenu to Prestashop. Submenus are excellent way to organize your products and pages. So thank you for watching. Make sure to add them, and goodbye.